With the title, it's clear that the video is about a very special car. Mahindra THAR. The previous version was launched in 2010 and people have given it so much love and made their own versions and modified it. Shout out to all the Mahindra THAR fans. If you are a Mahindra THAR fan, hit like and subscribe. Well, the car was spotted so many times and got the idea of what to expect with the lines and the shape. But yesterday on Independence Day, the wraps finally came off and we all have the 2020 Mahindra THAR in front of us. As now camo are off, you can clearly see there are some similarities in the looks of the Jeep Wrangler and the Mahindra THAR. Well, let's start from the exterior. In the front, we get a new style face with a new grille, vertical grills and DRLs. The old circle halogen headlamps are still present on the 2020 THAR. Except the DRL, everything is halogen. The front bumper is made up of plastic and is huge, but it has a very small overhang which helps to make very good takeoff angle. And so much ground clearance, 226mm of ground clearance, you can go from almost anything. Personally speaking, I am not in the trend of increasing the grille size, but for the 2020 THAR and the size of the car, the grille of the vehicle is pretty small. Well, that can be my personal taste and could be different for you. What do you feel about the grille? Let me know. Well, now let's see the side profile of the car. You can see huge cladding on both the wheels which is made up of plastic but adds to the ruggedness of the vehicle. And the wheels you get on this car are massive. 18-inch wheels, 255/65 R18 wheels, and as usual it's a 3-door car which makes it a shorter wheelbase, which makes it better for off-road capability. In the side you get M-Hawk badge for a diesel vehicle and M Stallion badge for a petrol variant. Yes, you are getting a THAR in petrol as well. What's powering this thing? 2.2 liter M-Hawk diesel which produces 132 horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque. We also get a petrol variant which will be called as M Stallion with 150 horsepower. No top end petrol model in the lineup. Exposed door hinges, I like that. The car is available in both hardtop and softtop version. Hardtop is removable, softtop is convertible. A chrome 4x4 badge. In the rear you get a very boxy style rear end. The complete look of the car from the rear is a kind of square which is very different from a normal vehicle. The rear spare wheel makes the car look very attractive and very catchy from the cars because your Creta doesn't have a rear wheel hanging on the rear trunk. Well, that is a full-size spare wheel. Step inside and you get a refreshed look of the interior. You get steering mounted controls, updated dashboard, new infotainment system, carbon fiber finish between the air vents, and there are 2 levers in the center console. One is for the 4-wheel drive and one is for the gear shifter. And the hazard lights button, you can see it's the only button you can press, the rest all are just indicators. They could have been better if all were buttons. Both the driver and passenger seats have all manual controls, even the lumbar support. In the rear you get 2 seats with seat belts and grab handles, so when you're landing from a mountain, the passengers will be placed on the seats. Boot space is very little. Well, if you fold the rear seats, there's ample of boot space. The overall design of the car, the overall interior and the design of the car is refreshed for 2020 yet not overstyled. So tell me, what are your views on the car? Do you like the 2020 THAR or will you still prefer the old generation look? Well, there are many questions in my head still about the car. To answer those questions, I need to test drive the car and I will also make the video for you guys. So if you like this video, please do hit like, feel free to comment and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Petrolhead's Paradise. Take care, stay safe, Jai Hind. Woo!